Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y76 5G, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with the fingerprint unlock method, and we'll see how fast this method is and does it works here. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works here really fast, so we just can unlock the device. I'll show you by this way with a simple touch. I'm just not pressing the button, I'm just make there so simple touch, you can see that, and we can unlock the device so fast, so just less than in 1 second. So that's a really good result for the fingerprint for the scanner. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, and for example, if you don't like the passcodes or pin codes, you can try the fingerprint unlock, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.